So what is a microcontroller? A microcontroller is a type of integrated circuit or computer chip found in most electronic devices, including things like phones and smartwatches, cars and toys. However, unlike other types of computer chips, microcontrollers are programmable. That is, as a designer, you can tell the microcontroller what you want it to do by giving a special set of instructions. With these instructions, microcontrollers can serve as the brains of electronic devices, telling the device how to behave. For example, consider a thermostat. The microcontroller brain of the thermostat will have instructions telling it to monitor the temperature of a house or a room. If the temperature becomes too hot or too cold, the microcontroller brain of the thermostat will know that it should react by turning on or off some type of output, perhaps a fan, an air conditioner, or a furnace. What do microcontrollers look like? Like other computer chips, microcontrollers are found in black plastic packages, generally smaller than the size of a coin. They will have small metal pins or connections sticking out of the black packages to connect to the outside world. They do come in a variety of shapes and sizes, each designed to either optimize the size, ease of handling, or number of pins or connections to the outside world. Regardless of what they look like, just remember that microcontrollers are programmable computer chips that act as the brains of electronic devices. Next, we're going to take a look at the electronic devices controlled by microcontrollers and why they're often given the special name of embedded systems. Thanks for watching.